Hey, this is Eli, aka Devoted Day Trader. I'm reviewing today's trades. I traded Twitter twice and PayPal once. I did have 3 losers in a row, and I would like to go over my trades for today to see the mistakes that I potentially made on these trades. With trading, you could never win 100% of your trades. That's not how it goes. If someone is consistently winning every single trade, that's not truthful, because there's no way that you could win every single trade. That's not how the game goes. Anyway, my first trade was on Twitter, and the market gapped up today, so we'll start with the SPY. The SPY, this is an ETF that tracks pretty much the S&P 500, the biggest 500 publicly traded companies in the country, and it gapped over the 200 moving average and the round number of 300 on the daily. So this is a bullish indication. But so despite knowing that the market was bullish in pre-market, I still went against the grain. Well, I did see the market, the SPY, selling off. I thought it was going to give up some of the gains from the gap, so I was comfortable going short. So I shorted Twitter because Twitter was against this daily 200 moving average. So this red line right here is the 20-period moving average, which acts as significant resistance and support, especially on the daily chart. So in the open, I saw, let's go to the 2-minute, because on the 2-minute, I saw the first bar was a doji, a indecision, tails on top, tails at the bottom, meaning there are sellers up top and there are buyers at the bottom. But we were at a pre-market high, so I trusted this tail and the 200 moving average on the daily and went short with a stop at the high of the day. And as soon as I went short, I got stopped out for 1%. And then the next bar was a bear bar, and there was follow through on the bear bar. We were again below pre-market high, this line right here, and this blue line, I don't know if you can see it or not, that is VWAP. So we were below VWAP, pre-market high, a follow through on this bear bar, so I went back short, and as soon as I went short, I got stopped out. So those were the 2 trades on Twitter. I guess the mistake on Twitter was maybe I should have waited until it tested the whole number of 34, because that's what it did. So it went up to, I believe, the high of this topping tail is 33.98. So if I were a little more patient, I could have went short right here with a tight stop at 34, and I could have made my 2% on this trade. So the lesson of this trade for me is the daily 200 did act as resistance, but here it could have definitely sold off, but it wanted to test the whole number 34. So but it is what it is. I'm not too upset at this these 2 trades. And my last trade was on PayPal, and on PayPal I was watching it sell off all morning. On the 5-minute, it sold off all the way. Well, PayPal had gapped up, and then it gave up the gap and kept selling through the 200 on the 5-minute, the 200 on the 2-minute, and I was watching it and knew that the 200 on the 15-minute was coinciding with yesterday's low, this line right here. So when I noticed that it came down to yesterday's low in the 200, it put on this tail. Let me see, how does it look on the 2-minute? Yeah, it put on this tail, and I went long, trusting yesterday's low and the 200 on the 15-minute, and it did go in my direction for a bit, but it was not enough to take profit. I put my stop at the low of the day, and I was pretty much stopped out. After it stopped me out, it did push higher. So I mean, there isn't much I could do about this trade. So this was a climatic long, because this thing was selling off the entire day, and the volume was increasing, and which means when the volume is increasing at the bottom of a move, it means it's going climatic, and that a reversal is imminent. And that's what I was going for, and I was stopped out, so lost 1% on this trade. So these were the trades today. I figured I'd go over them since I have some downtime, and going over my trades helps me understand what I did wrong, what I did right, because trading is a lifetime learning experience. So yeah, these were my trades today. 3 losing trades. So what I lost 3% of my account today, but it's all good. It's part of the game. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.